Okay, I'm starting the class. Hi team, good morning everyone. Myself, I'm Venkat. I had 10 plus years of experience in the Salesforce industry. From the past 4 plus years onwards, I've been continuing with LWC. So I had been dealt with different types of websites like insurance, e-commerce, telecom, and also apart from this, I also deal with insurance banking. Yeah, these are the different types of activities which I had done. And also I had been uh, like uh, uh, presently I'm working like in one of the company as an architect, and also I've been continuing this particular training regularly. So what are the trainings which I'm going to be teach is a like practical oriented training. Yeah, and also we'll cover the two projects also. So in this today's class, the main agenda of today's class is I'm going to show what are the things which I'm going to teach in the coming classes, and how the structures are used to be, how the interview questions have been processed, and how the projects, everything I'm going to be shown in today's class. Yeah. Ramesh, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi Venkat, hi team. I
Hi.
have 1 year of experience. I'm working for so and so company.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, you're working as a Salesforce or other technology, Ramesh?
Yeah, I'm working for Salesforce.
Okay, okay, good, Ramesh. Thank you. And Carlos, can you please introduce yourself? Carlos. Hi, Carlos. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hey, hi. I'm based in US and
Okay.
I'm working as a quality analyst. So we are pretty much working on the Salesforce right now. So this is a new product that the company just got, and they are building other functionality.
Okay, okay, Carlos. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So let us start the class. Am I audible to everyone? Ramesh and Carlos?
Yes, Venkat, you can continue.
Okay, fine. Thank you. I'm sharing my screen. Yeah, recording is going on fine. Okay, so mainly anyone know the full form of LWC?
Lightning Web Component.
Yes, Carlos, can you please? What is the use of LWC, Carlos? Carlos,
Uh, it's,
what is
it's
the
like
use
with
of it? Hmm? It is used to design.
I'm not really done. I'm not really you know
Okay, fine, fine. It is used
too
to
much
design.
about.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. I'll teach from start to advanced level. Okay. So mainly LWC is nothing but Lightning Web Components. It is used to design the front end UI. Yeah. Okay, it is used to design the front end UI. Yeah. LWC is nothing but a Lightning Web Components. Okay, what I'm going to be teaching the coming classes. Okay, it's a real time. I'm saying again, it's a real time project oriented training. So many practical scenarios will be provided. So many practical scenarios. Okay, and also assignments will be given regularly. Interview questions are also will be shared. Okay, interview questions are also will be shared for each module. And also there are two projects. Okay, two projects at the end. One is health cloud project. Okay, another is a travel application. These are the two projects. Okay, these are the two projects which I'm going to be teaching the coming classes. These are the two projects which I'm going to be teaching the coming classes. Okay, first of all, Yeah. Here, anyone have any idea on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? If you don't have any idea, also no worries. Carlon, you have any idea? Carlos. Carlos, am I audible?
What do you want?
Yeah, you have any idea on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Okay, if you have idea also, if you don't have idea also, no worries. Okay, starting I'll teach. Okay, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, why I'm going to teach the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript means I'll tell you. Because first of all, you need to get, because we have so many topics in the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, we don't need all the particular topics. Only we need some of the topics, okay, which are useful for our LWC. I'll teach each and every topic. So related to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yeah. Okay, and also the daily class timings. Okay, the duration. Okay, duration of the training is 1 month. As like normally whatever I suggested. Okay, these are all the things which I'll provide. So I'll start with LWC installation part. Installation part is very okay, like whatever it may be, either you learned any technologies. Okay, first you need to do installation part. Okay, then only you'll start with LWC. Okay, after completion of installation part, I'll start with LWC basics. Whenever you learned any programming language, any of the UI language, first of all, you need to learn what you need to learn. You need to learn the basics. Okay. So my training, okay, I'm definitely tell you. Okay, my training. First of all, I'll build the basics. Okay, after that intermediate level and after that advanced level. Definitely after completion of this training, if you anyone had been appeared to any of the interviews, definitely if you given your best means, you will definitely qualify. Either you are in USA, UK, any of the countries. Okay, like step by step I use it, like beginner, advanced level, beginner, and intermediate level. Okay, step by step I use it to be.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
So this training is pretty much the duration is 1 month, right? So when after this training, so what position are we applying for? Is he Salesforce admin or is he Salesforce developer? Which position exactly are we targeting after this training? After 1
After
month?
this training, you can apply for Salesforce developer. Okay, after this training. After this training, you can apply for Salesforce developer positions. Yeah.
So what about the admin position? It's not
Admin
applicable.
positions also you can apply. Admin positions also you can apply. Okay,
Okay.
so here, okay, so here,
Okay.
here we are going to cover the front-end user interface. Okay, to like creating websites. Okay, you can apply for admin as well as a developer. Okay, both
Sure.
positions. Yeah, thank you.
Venkat,
Yes,
uh,
please.
class is every day.
Everyday class should be there. Okay.
Okay, and Sundays also.
No. Every day, Monday to Friday. Okay, I'll give the assignments. We'll give the assignments.
Okay.
Because there are working professionals, Ramesh. Okay, they don't have some sufficient time. Okay, if I complete all the training, that's why given some time Saturday, Sunday to practice for them. Like Ramesh, that's why given this time. For example, okay, just imagine if the portion is not been completed. Okay, then I'll take the class on Saturday. Okay, Sunday there is no class. Mostly the classes should be in Monday to Friday only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Hi, Sumit. Hi. Hello, Sumit. Am I audible? Hello, Sumit.
Yeah, hi, Venkat.
Hi, Sumit. Just we are starting with introduction. Like I think we completed starting 10 minutes class. That's it. Okay, just we are going to be teach how we are going to be further in the coming classes, Sumit. That's it. Okay,
Yeah,
can you
sure.
please introduce yourself, Sumit?
Yeah, I have got it. My name is Sumit Sinha. I am currently working as a senior application developer, and I have about 10 years of work experience in middleware
Okay.
technologies.
Okay, Sumit. Thank you. Thank you, Sumit. Okay. Yeah. Sumit, like we are going to be started with LWC. LWC is used for front-end UI development in Salesforce. Like what I'm going to be teach, just I'm writing each and everything, and what I'm been going to be teached in the coming classes, upcoming classes. Okay, that are the part which I'm been teaching here. Okay, in today's class mainly. So coming to the LWC basics. Whenever you are learning any of the scripting language, whenever you are learning any of the programming language, whatever it may be, you need to learn some basics. Okay, without learning basics, no one will come. Okay, if you go to the advanced level means definitely they'll feel difficulties. So coming to LWC basics, I use it to teach different types of concepts. Okay, like with practical scenarios, I'm saying you from starting onwards. Okay, like template for each, and we have decorators. Okay, and also we have template if true and template if false. Okay, and getters. Okay, some basic components. Okay, let us use it to develop. Okay, let us use it to develop here. Okay, when I'm teaching LWC basics. Okay, in the Salesforce org. I'll create a separate tab. I'll create an application because whenever I created everything through practically like this, in your future, you can easily reference all the things. That is the main agenda. Yes, everyone able to see the screen? When I clicked on update user, the data has been updating. Okay, the data has been retrieving. Okay, from the backend and displaying the data onto the front end like this. Input boxes. And under the basics of LWC component, I use it to be going to be teach each and every concepts like this. Okay, under the basics of the LWC components, I'm going to be teach each and every this type of components. Okay, with different types of practical scenarios. Okay, how to involve one component inside another component. And another thing is how to apply some stylings. Because I'll ask you one thing, either Sumit or anyone can answer. Like for example, if we design one website, we need to apply styling or not. We need to apply some stylings or not.
Yes.
Definitely, when we created styling only, then only the website will make attractive. Okay, otherwise the website cannot be attractive. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, there are different types of concepts that need to be applied. Okay, in styling, like inline styling, external styling, state CSS, dynamic styling. Okay, there are dynamic styling, and these are all the different types of concepts. Okay, when I'm discussing each and every concept, I'm saying that I'll give the practical scenarios. So component composition, I created a separate tab because when I created a separate tabs, so it will be easy for you. Okay, for your further reference. Okay, for example, at future, if you want to refer your codes, okay, like as compared to Salesforce admin and development, here the main agenda is whenever if you see in the output, then only you'll get some complete understanding on that appropriate concept. Okay, that is a thing. See, for example, if I'm applying 100%, it is increasing like this. I clicked on the button. See, it has been highlighting. Okay, the data of buttons have been displaying side by side. See, when I'm hovered, immediately it has been increasing the size to 40 pixel, and also the color is also changing to blue color. Okay, everything. Yeah, I'll give you a good idea. Like creating type, like in real time, we need to create this type of forms. Okay, so I had been done a good real time projects. So definitely, I'll show all my experience in each and every modules, whatever which I'm teaching in the LWC. Yeah. After completion of component composition, I'm going to explain about lifecycle hooks. in each and every UI or a program, whatever it may be, user interface. Okay, so lifecycle hooks are definitely been there. In the similarly, the Salesforce has also have a lifecycle hooks, okay, which are nothing but different types of lifecycle hooks are there, like constructor, connected callback. In every interviews, whenever you went to the interview, definitely they will ask you the question on lifecycle hooks. Without lifecycle hooks, they will not end the class. They will not end the interview. Rendered callback, error callback, okay, disconnected callback. And also I will discuss some real-time scenarios also here. Okay, when I'm discussing the lifecycle hooks, again, I'll create a separate tab for the lifecycle hooks. Instead of displaying all the LWC components in a single tab, I'm creating a multiple tabs. Okay, like for your easy reference. Everyone able to see, and I'm clicking on the sign up page. See, I'm getting the sign up form. When I clicked on back, when I clicked on sign in page, and I clicked on back, immediately it is user to appear. Okay, how to design like this LWC components. Okay, these are the real-time LWC components, whatever it may be. How to design. Yeah, I'll give you an idea. And also I'll give the assignments on each and every module. Okay, for example, if we completed this particular module, I'll give the assignment. So here I changed the pattern. After completion of two modules, okay, I'll give the assignments and interview questions. Can I give the interview questions for all, or can I give the interview questions for module wise? Based on the students' interest only. Sumit and Carlon, Ramesh, can I give the interview questions on module wise or after completion of all the things?
Model wise.
Yes, yes. Yeah, module wise is very good because instead of, because you'll prepare it at a time, you'll prepare it simultaneously. Okay, and another thing is sometimes I'll ask the questions. Okay, like maybe sometimes I'll ask the question to Sumit, sometimes I'll ask the questions to Carlon, sometimes I'll ask the question to Ramesh also. Okay, like what are the previous concepts? Okay, no worries. Okay, here the interactions have been going to be happen. For example, if today Carlon is not been saying, at least Sumit is saying, the next day definitely Sumit will learn the things, and Sumit will, if I given a question means definitely Carlon will say the answer. Definitely. Like this, there is a group interactions are been going to be happen in the coming classes. Okay. In the coming classes. And I use it to act as like a panel. I told you previously I had a 10 plus years of experience. Presently, I'm working as an architect in the Salesforce. Yeah. So I use it to act as a panel. Okay, L2 panel, whatever it may be, L2 technical manager round, I use it to take it. Okay, I had some good understanding on how to answer how the students are been replying for the questions, how the interviewer are expecting. So definitely I'll give you a better idea on all the parts, whatever it may be interviews.
Venkat, are you working for Salesforce?
Yes, I'm working for a Salesforce from past 10 plus years onwards. Yes, I'm working. Yeah. Presently also I'm working, and also parallelly I've been teaching. I've been passionate in the teaching. That's why I've been continuing the teaching from past 5 years onwards. Yeah. Yeah, I'm an application architect. Yeah. So, and another thing is a component communication. Okay, I'll ask you one question. We are dealing with single component or a multiple components when you're designing some scenarios.
Multiple component.
Definitely we'll create a multiple components. Okay, when we created multiple components means, Carolyn, there is an interaction or not in between one component and another component sometimes. Carolyn. Carlos.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, if you're creating multiple component means sometimes there is an interaction or not in between one component and another component. Okay, definitely there should be some interactions have been going to be happen. Okay, like like we have parent to child communication. Like parent component can communicate with the child component. Okay, so here I'll discuss 3 scenarios and I'll give the one scenario for assignment. And we have child to parent communication. Okay, here also let me try to discuss 3 real-time scenarios, whatever it may be, on child to parent communication and also PubSub. For example, there is no relationship in between. It is an older approach. Nowadays, we are not using. Okay, another thing is LMS. To make independent component communication, we'll use LMS. Okay, for example, okay, for everything. Okay, whatever I'm showing, everything I'll create a separate tabs for this. For example, I'm navigating LMS communication. See, everything is been loading. Okay, for example, here it is subscribed. Hi, I'm LWC component. Okay, when I clicked on publish, immediately the data will be receiving. The data is receiving or not, everyone. So whatever I'm showing you, everything I'll show you in the coming classes. Okay, just it's like an overview. What I'm been going to be introduced. For example, if you clicked on 23 percentage, like this, okay, I'll design you. For example, if you entered your employee name, okay, just I'm entering employee name as like a Carlos. Okay, I'm entering some phone number and also I'm entering the Carlos details. When I clicked on submit, immediately the data will be submitted to see. Everyone able to see it?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, like this, I'll design it in future classes. If we clicked on increase, see the data is increasing. If we clicked on decrease, the data is decreasing like this. Let me try to design. For example, hi, I am Ramesh. I'm clicking on publish. You can able to see the data is received to another LWC component. Okay, each and everything. What I'm showing you, everything I'll design in the coming classes. Like on each and every module, I'll design different types of real-time scenarios for your better communication. Okay, like even so, if you followed everything, whatever which I'm teaching, so in your future projects or what in interviews will not face any difficulties. I'm teaching more than what they're expecting. Like even you went to any projects, either insurance, e-commerce, banking, telecom, any of the projects, you can do the things easily. Definitely, I'm saying this. And also after component communication, I use it to explain about okay, resource component context and notification. Okay, there are some scenarios are there. Nowadays, the people are facing difficulties. Okay, like I'll ask you some questions for the people who has been joined. Praveen. Hi, Praveen. Am I audible, Praveen? Hello, Praveen. Okay, Sumit. Sumit, I'll ask you one question. Like, for example, if you design some websites, we need to upload the images or not?
Yes.
Definitely. Okay, like whenever if there is images, then only the website will look interactive. Okay,
Yeah.
means you need to know the process. Okay, how to upload the images, how to use in your LWC component, how to adjust your width, the font, and how to apply some CSS. Like this. Yeah. Okay, like I taken different module here. How to upload some images in LWC component. Okay, like how to interact with third party. I created different types of scenarios. Third party CSS and also third party JavaScript libraries. Okay, and another thing. Like there are multiple, and also another thing is a toast notification. It is very important. And there are other 6 to 7 scenarios are there. Okay, like and another thing is, for example, if you visited some application, okay, after for example, you are applying for loan, okay, Ramesh, you are applying for loan. After completion of the filling the loan application, you'll get some document. If you click on download, the document will be downloaded. Anyone observed this type of scenario? Anyone observed after filling all the data?
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, I'll tell you. For example, okay, you are filling the loan application. Okay, you are filling the input boxes, whatever it may be. Okay, like as a sales manager is filling all the details. Okay, and if they click on next, immediately another form will become. Okay, again, okay, like there should be some terms and conditions. Okay, and also you can download these terms and conditions as a PDF also. Anyone observe this type? And if you click on submit, the data will be submitted.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Like how to download means as a developer, you need to create it this particular terms and conditions under the backend. Then only you can able to download. Otherwise, you cannot able to download these terms and conditions. How to do this? Okay. Under this, I'll going to explain. Yeah, like when I'm teaching this. Yes, everyone able to see images I upload. See when I clicked on download, immediately the document will be downloaded. So we'll make the client document here. Okay. And for example, I think anyone observed that whenever I'm going to the account, Praveen, you observed this? Okay, I'm clicking on new. If we clicked on save, anyone observed some toast notification, some success green color? Anyone observed this?
Yes, that is Toastmas.
Yes, toast notification. As a developer, we can create it. Okay. As a developer, we can create it. Either success to error. Okay, as a developer, we can create it. These are nothing but toast notifications. In future upcoming classes, I'll show you how to design this type of errors or success messages after filling the data. Okay, like this. How to upload images, how to adjust some font size. Each and everything I'm going to be design. These are all the things. And another thing, LDS, Lightning Data Service. What is Lightning Data Service? Okay, I will ask you one question to anyone can answer. Okay, from the class. For example, if you visited to the bank application, okay. For example, like just imagine Ramesh. Ramesh need some bank account inside some organization. So definitely, for example, Ramesh needs some account in HDFC Bank. So what will the Ramesh do? Ramesh will navigate to HDFC Bank. Then immediately he'll contact the salespeople and or finance people, whatever which have been presented, and he will create an account. When you are creating an account, they will ask some details. Anyone identified, they will ask your first name, or they will ask your personal details like Aadhaar or whatever it may be. First name, last name. Anyone observe this? Email, phone number. Anyone observed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely. They will ask you. Okay. And again, they will click on next. Means I need to create this type of input forms. Okay, when they clicked on submit, immediately the data will be submitted to backend Salesforce. Okay, immediately the data will be submitted to backend Salesforce. Means as a developer, we need to create it. How to create this type of forms? Everything. Okay, there are multiple scenarios I'll design here. So here I'm going to explain. There are lightning record form. Okay, when I'm explaining this type of scenarios, again, I'll navigate to, just I'm showing you, okay, how the things. Yes, everyone able to see my screens?
Yes, Venkat.
In real time also like this only. Okay, but in Experience Cloud, I'll show you the Experience Cloud also. Okay, for example, like we have one minute team. Yeah, like for example, if you take like Kavya, like I'm filling the Kavya detail. For example, Kavya is interested in the account creation. Okay, prospect industry. I'm expecting as an agriculture. Okay, I'm clicking on save. Everyone able to see this account is created? This is the thing. Immediately the Kavya account has been created successfully. Like this. Even the customer can fill the details immediately if they clicked on save. Okay, the data will be saved. Okay, like this. How to deploy? Like first of all, I'm showing the LWC. I'll show you Experience Cloud also. Okay, here. And also I'm going to be teach the Experience Cloud also. I'll teach the Experience Cloud also to deploy the applications. In real time, we are using Experience Cloud to deploy the applications. I'm saying again, whatever I'm teaching, it's a real-time project-oriented teaching. So which I use it to cover multiple scenarios. Okay, and also assignments will be covered regularly. And interview questions will be shared for each module. 2 projects I'll cover. So which is Health Cloud application and another is a travel application. And the class timings is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. every day, Monday to Friday. And also I'll give the assignments regularly. And duration 1 month. And also I'll design. Okay, I design 2 applications. I'll deploy it to Experience Cloud. And another thing is navigation service. So what is navigation service? I'll tell you. Hello, Kavya, am I audible? Hello, Kavya. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Kavya, you observed that, like for example, if you want some insurance, okay? Just imagine if you want some,
Just now I joined. Like
no
you
worries.
called on me. Okay.
No worries, no worries. Just these are the common things. Okay, like for
Okay.
example, if you need some insurance, okay,
Okay.
what you will do immediately, you'll visit to the near to your insurance. For example, you need some
Compulsion.
health insurance. Yeah, immediately you'll go to near to your branch. Okay,
Yeah.
so immediately there are some people. Okay, the sales people, whatever it may be, they will assist you. And there are some data operator. Okay, they will fill you all the details. Okay, what they will fill? Okay, they will fill your details. They will ask your personal details, your first name, okay, your last name, and your email, okay, your phone number. Okay, immediately. Whenever if they clicked on next, immediately they will ask you how much subsidiary. Okay, how much subsidiary you want to deposit for health insurance. Okay. Means from this LWC component to another LWC component you are navigating. Is it? If they clicked on next.
Yeah, if you click on next, it will go
Definitely. Okay.
Yeah.
In the similar, whenever if they clicked on next, another LWC component. Okay, like navigating from one LWC component to another LWC component, it is nothing but navigation service. Okay, it is very important. Okay, I'll discuss 10 scenarios here. 9 to 10 scenarios. But I'll discuss mostly everything, but some of the scenarios are been important. Okay, for your real time like as well as interview purpose, some scenarios. But I'll discuss everything, whatever which are presented in LWC. Okay, like navigating from in this. This is most important scenario. In every project also it will be appeared. Okay, and remaining scenarios also I'll discuss. Okay, but that particular scenarios are not been helpful. I mean, only this scenario will be most helpful, but I'm expecting everyone to practice every scenarios, whatever which I'm discussing in the classes. That is the main agenda from everyone. Yeah. Okay, and also I use it to discuss about navigation service. After discussing the navigation service, like how to include your Apex programming in LWC. Okay. Like for example, this is your LWC component. Okay, this is your LWC component. How to interact. Okay, this is your Apex class. This is your admin Salesforce database. How to interact with Apex class and how to retrieve the data. How to interact and to retrieve the data and to place that particular data. Okay, how to place that particular data. Okay, this is our data, whatever it may be. Okay, just account data or a contact data or incidents data, whatever it may be. How to place, how to interact. Okay, in the Apex in LWC. Okay, I'll discuss when I'm discussing Apex in LWC. In the navigation service also I'll discuss. See, for example, just imagine if I clicked on navigate external page, you can navigate to external page in navigation services. I'm going to be discuss. And another thing I want to convey about this particular concept, Apex. Yes. See, like this, I'm going to be designing a different LWC components. This is the thing. And also like Apex imperative also I'll teach you. I'm going to be teach Apex imperative also in future upcoming classes. Okay, just I'm showing you overview what I'm going to be design. That's it. Okay, in upcoming classes I'm going to be teach a different LWC component. Okay, everyone able to see the video player? Like whenever if you open any website, okay, it is used to show some video player. Everyone able to see this video player?
Yeah.
Okay, like this, how to create this type of LWC component. Definitely, I'll give you a great understanding. Like I'll give the assignments also. Okay, like we have Tata consumers. I'll make you to do this type of assignments. It is for the load data is loading. Yeah. Okay, this type of forms, how to create. Because in real time like this only the structures are used to be. How to design this type of forms. Each and everything I'm going to be, see when you clicked on submit, immediately it is been highlighted, it is been hovered. Okay, even you will do it. Okay, after completion of my classes, you can do it easily. This type of forms easily and interactively. Okay, with the different scenarios. Okay, and another point I want to convey. So whatever the things which I'm teaching, each and everything, the notes will be shared. And also WhatsApp group will be created for the registered students and also the notes will be shared. No problem at all. I'm saying again, each and everything up to date notes will be shared. Each and everything. Okay, for example, no need to write a single point. Just in the class, you need to listen and you need to practice. If you have any queries, you need to resolve your queries. That's it. That is the thing I'm expecting. I think everyone able to see the notes. For example, if I'm teaching after completion of the notes, Each and everything I designed in a structured format. Everyone able to see the notes, use case, assignments, everything I mentioned. Okay, everything is structured format. Yeah. It's not a running notes, what I'm giving. Okay, the notes which had been designed in a proper manner, I'm giving this. Okay, this is the assignment. Firstly, you need to practice the assignments. Each and every assignment, there is an answer is there. First of all, every student need to think on their own. Okay, definitely I'll give the solution and assignment answers also, everything. Yeah. Like this. It's not a running notes I prepared. Like after completion of each module, I'll give this, I'll upload the notes to the drive. Yeah. Every day. When I'm discussing some topic like this, I prepared some notepad files, I'll upload it. At last, I told you, there are 3 projects. Okay, one is mini project. Okay, it's like a book listing API. Like integrating, okay, integrating Google App. It's like API callouts. Like I'll show you that things. Integrating with Google API. I think where it is available. Yes, everyone able to see. I think the load there is. Okay, let me try to click on edit page. I'm placing the LWC component. Yeah, everyone able to see the data. For example, if it typed yes, see immediately as Salesforce. We are getting the books related to the Salesforce. Everyone able to see this? Means we are integrating with external API and retrieving that appropriate data and printing that appropriate data on the console. Everyone able to see this?
Yes, Ramesh.
Okay, like for example, if you take a Java middleware, if middleware books are there, immediately the middleware books are being able to print the data. Okay, like this. What are the informations are available? Okay, from the external API, I've been taking the data and I've been printing that appropriate data under the user interface. How to interact from our Salesforce to external API, I'm going to be discussed. Yeah. Under this and after that. Okay, another project which is nothing but travel website. Okay, it will be deployed in Experience Cloud. It's very good interactive. In real time also we'll deploy it to Experience Cloud only. Yeah. I'll show you the website. I opened it. Everyone able to see my website?
Yes, Ramesh.
Yeah, Venkat. Yeah. Yes. Okay, this is the thing. For example, if you click on contact support with the form, I think there is no form. That's why it is showing communication error. So click on OK. Okay, if you need means you can open it again. Like I'm navigating to everything, I'll show you, no worries. Okay, in upcoming classes, I'll show you how to design this type of website in a step-by-step manner. Then it will be easy for you to do this task. It's very easy. Okay, just how to use your LWC component. Okay, in this particular experience cloud, if you know everything, how to design each and everything from basic to advanced level. Okay, just experience cloud and creating the LWC component is same. Just drag and drop. Experience cloud component is nothing but drag and drop. You can do the things easily. See, for example, if you clicked on customer service, the customer service related articles are been going to be displayed. These are all the things which we need to design under the back end. Yeah. These are all the things we need to design it under the back end. Okay, just we can place under the front end. Okay, if we clicked on home, immediately it will be, see, all the tourist sites, it is related to other everything it is displaying here. This is one LWC component I created and I placed here. Yeah. Okay, if you placed on discount, immediately discount related articles are been going to be displayed. These are all the things. Okay, it's very easy. In the coming classes, I'm going to be teach step by step. So then you can implement it in real time. Also, the websites are used to be looks like this only. And another second website I'm going to be teach is, okay, and also experience. Everyone able to see this healthcare website? So I dealt with some healthcare project. When I'm dealing with healthcare project, I design the website similar to like this. Yeah, the same thing which I implemented in the classes. Okay, for example, if you take a login, immediately the login form. I think there are some internal issues. That's why it is not load. See, now it is working. Everyone able to see username and password. In real time like this only, I think everyone know. They open the website. Carlos.
Yeah.
In real time like this only now. Logins as well as registrations.
Yeah, I like
this.
this.
Definitely, I told you from start onwards, whatever it may be which I'm teaching, it will give you a real-time experience. Okay. And I'm saying again, the classes, whatever it should be the next 1 month, I'm going to be design everything. What I'm teaching, what I'm showing you today, everything will be taught end to end. Okay. After completion of the classes, you can develop your own websites independently. If you concentrated this 1 month, okay, this particular 1 month will definitely will give you a good experience from my side. Yeah, I've been passionate in the training. That's why I've been continuing the training with my real-time projects and scenarios, whatever it may be. Yeah. Like this is a thing. And I shown you the health cloud application also. Yeah, this is about the things which I'm going to be teach a complete overview. Yes. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries? Carlos, Sumit, Kavya, Ramesh, anyone have any queries?
So where we are going to use Apex?
Apex in LWC, we are going to be use your Apex programming. Okay. And also in wire adapters, like when we are importing the data and to use that appropriate data in your LWC component. Because for example, the customer fill the data, all the data will be saved to the database. Okay. Okay. Then as a whatever end user, what we need to retrieve the data and to import the data and to print on the UI. Okay. Like when I'm discussing wire adapters and I'm using Apex in LWC, when I'm using Apex imperative methods, on that time we'll use Apex in LWC. Okay. Apex programming. Sumit.
Yes.
Okay. Carlos, any queries? Sumit, any other queries? Let me go one by one.
So what about the database? Which database we are going to use?
So what database? Salesforce provides a database which is nothing but admin. Okay, like no need of creating any database. Okay, so Salesforce is provides it's a cloud based. Okay, no need of any other external database like MySQL, MongoDB, whatever it may be. Salesforce provides a database to store all the information. Yeah, That's it, Sumit. Just you need to design it. Okay, when you clicked on submit, Salesforce automatically had created the database. Okay, to store all the account records, contact records, opportunity records, read records, if any custom object information, whatever it may be. Okay, it will store all the data. Yes. Any other?
So we are going to create a website using
Yes.
Salesforce.
Yes. Whatever I'm showing the end of the class, travel website and that particular thing we are going to be decided at the end of the classes. First we'll complete all the LWC, then we are going to be design that LWC. By applying all these LWC components, we can easily design it. Yeah. Experience cloud is very easy. Just drag and drop. When you are going to the interview for testing purpose, they will ask you, do you know Experience Cloud? Then you can tell that, yes, I know. Just I deployed it. I created some websites. After designing this website, the same thing will be applied to other applications also, Sumit.
Okay.
Okay. Any other query, Sumit?
No.
Okay, thank you. Carlos, any other queries? Carlos.
I'm good. My concern was just about the programming because I don't have any programming experience. That was my only concern.
No worries, Carlos. I'll guide you. I'll guide you everything from end to end. Okay, I'll start with very basics, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Kindly please follow what I'm teaching. Definitely you will completely success. Okay, I'll give you guarantee. And another thing is, Carlos, like in USA, there are very less people who knows better in LWC. Yeah, like because I have been much familiar because I had been went to on-site also. Like there because very less people. If you learned the LWC, definitely it should be good practice, and also there good opportunities will be provided, Carlos. In India also, in India or USA, whatever it may be, anywhere. Yes. No worries, Carlos. I'll guide you from end to end.
Sure.
Okay.
So what about the opportunity? Which type of jobs you will get, and
Yes.
which type of company works in this type of application?
So you are saying that like in the companies who are using Salesforce, definitely LWC is there. Without creating websites, no application will be going to be ready. Yeah. The company who are using Salesforce, there are so many companies are using Salesforce. So in so many companies, LWC is there. Okay. Without LWC, no developer will be. Presently, if LWC is there, then only there should be, even for fresher also, they are expecting some at least a basic LWC. Yeah. Sumit. Means if experience level me, they are expecting, okay, some of the mark on LWC, Sumit. Yeah. Yes. Ramesh and Kavya. Any queries? Ramesh, any queries?
No, Venkat, I'm good.
Yeah, okay. And what about Kavya? Any queries, Kavya?
I think we do like RTs and IE details, no, in Salesforce platform.
Which one, Kavya?
RTs, VAs. Do you
Okay.
have any idea on that
Ah.
IE detail?
Like you are saying about support team?
Yeah. For that we use HTML, CSS, no? Can we
Yeah,
do
yeah.
that?
Yeah. As I told you, not starting. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Is my screen is visible?
Yeah.
Okay, starting I'll teach HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Without that, I'll not start.
Actually, we do in the healthcare organizations. They do.
Yes. Like LWC also HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. LWC include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML.
You will be teaching like how to develop emailers and all. Emailers, IDs.
That are nothing but templates you are asking about.
Yeah.
Okay, email templates, it will be covered under admin concepts. Yeah. Email templates. It is under admin concepts, I hope so. Yeah. Like it's easy only. Okay, it's easy only, Kavya. If you need means I'll tell you within 10 to 15 minutes we can show you.
Okay.
Just you need to navigate to email templates. Is my screen is visible?
Yeah.
I'll show you, Kavya, in future, no worries. It's easy only. It may take 10 to 15 minutes to create this type of email templates.
Okay.
It's under admin concept, but it's easy only. Just you need to click on this. You need to navigate to next and you need to if you need any custom images, you can click on custom, you can click on next, and you can create it. Yeah. Like this, you need to create Kavya. It's easy only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I get the recording of this class? Because in the
Yes,
beginning, I missed it.
definitely. Yeah. Every class, first 3 classes are demos Kavya. This is our first
Okay.
class. Okay. The recording will be shared in the YouTube. And also for everyone personal email also, they will be shared this particular emails. Okay. And please, Ramesh, Carlos, and Sumit Kavya, can you please share your email IDs and your numbers also? Yeah.
Okay.
Our team will contact you. And they will send you the recordings. Email IDs, your name, and the numbers. That's it. I'll give the details to them.
Okay.
Any other queries to anyone? Ramesh, Carlos. Ramesh, Carlos, Sumit, and Kavya, can you please send your details? Yeah. They'll send the things.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm stopping the recording. Yeah, tomorrow onwards, I'm going to be teaching about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Kindly please join at same timing, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. tomorrow also. Okay. And the first 3 days are demos. Okay. Thank you, team. Bye. Let's meet tomorrow.
Okay.